Namaskaram, my divine family. We at Transcending Beliefs always keep an eye on the cosmic signals of life. And today, through Mokshscope, we get the readings to you for this month.
Namaste. A very warm welcome to the Mokshscope series for the month of May. This is Sandhya Shri bringing you the insights and the guidance for the house number 1, which is all about attitude, physical body, and projection. Choose your thoughts, your words, your actions, and intentions, and see if they are aligned with the path of righteousness and in the direction of what we want to create. You need to cut down on all the sources of negative and incomplete information which could mislead you and misguide you. So, check if it is authentic and only then act upon it. For example, don't fall prey to all the fad diets, miracle supplements, unrealistic fitness trends. Some kind of purification is helpful at this level. You might want to consider lifestyle changes. By bringing in yoga, meditation, or pranayama, you might even go for healing or self-work, which helps at a spiritual level. The overall guidance for this month is to do selfless service, which means work for a higher and bigger purpose. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Magical Monica. Today I'm going to talk about the horoscope for the month of May. And it is connected to food, finances, family life, abundance and materials. This month shows that you will have food that you really want to have. But it is better if you donate to needy people. You'll get lots of blessings. Family life is like everybody has lots of expectations from you. And if you serve them, that will really, then you'll be happy, they will be happy. The kind of work that you do, the money you will get is directly proportional to the kind of work you do. How much efforts you are doing, you will get that. Abundance is coming your way. But as we say, dil mange more. You are not satisfied. You want more and more and more. That greed is there. You will get whatever material you really want to manifest that comes your way. So this is what is there for the month of May. Looking forward to see you next month. Thank you. Take care.
Namaste and welcome to Mokshscope series of May 2024. Nisha Shetty this side, and in today's reading we focus on areas such as communication, talent, society, siblings and friends. The board says overall May 24 looks promising for you. Your communication skills are expected to flourish, leading to productive interactions. Your social life will become more vibrant with opportunities for increased recognition. Your talent will not go unnoticed this month as you may receive appreciation and respect from others within your society. For people who are preparing for exams or participating in talent or public speaking competitions, there is a good chance of achieving success during this month. However, it is important to be mindful of your speech. Avoid using harsh words that might negatively affect your relationships with your friends or siblings. Overall, May appears to be a period of positivity and potential. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste. My name is Garima. I'm here to give you a horoscope for the month of May for the house number 4. This house relates to your relationship with your mother and your house in general. This month is going to be a very beautiful, perfect month for you, wherein everything that you want streamlined will be streamlined. Things will fall into place, balanced. Also will give you a perfect ecosystem to grow. Things will evolve beautifully, naturally, and in the space in the relationship with your mother, there will be balance, there will be understanding. You will be able to understand her perspective and she yours. Also, you should be investing into fragrances. If you like some car perfume, house perfume, agarbattis, invest into those. Work on your taste. Decorate your house to your liking. If you want to gift something to your mother, this will be a very beautiful month. The gesture will be beautifully taken. Otherwise, nothing to worry about. Absolutely perfect month, beautiful month. Stay blessed. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful, wonderful month again. Thank you.
नमः शिवाय, आई एम हेमंत पसरीजा और आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेके आया हूँ हाउस नंबर 5 की रीडिंग फॉर द मंथ ऑफ मई 2024। ये हाउस बात करता है हमारे रिलेशनशिप विद आवर चिल्ड्रन, हमारा कर्मास, ड्यूटी एंड नॉलेज के बारे में। ओवरऑल अगर एनर्जीज हम लोग इस बॉक्स की बात करें तो ये बॉक्स बात करता है इस मंथ आपको बहुत ही बैलेंस्ड अप्रोच रखनी है, चाहे वो आप अपने बच्चों के साथ में आपका रिलेशनशिप हो या आपके प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में हो। आप अपने धर्म को, अपने ड्यूटीज को, अपने कर्मा के ऊपर आप फोकस करिएगा, क्योंकि जिस तरीके के आप कर्म करेंगे उसी हिसाब से आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा। सो इफ यू डू द पॉजिटिव कर्मा यू विल गेट द पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट एंड द वाइस वर्सा। नॉलेज, आपको अपनी पूरी नॉलेज और विजडम को सही डायरेक्शन में लेके जाना है। कहीं पर भी अगर आपको इल्यूजन फील हो, कहीं पर भी आपको लगे कि आपके डिसीजन सही नहीं है तो किसी की हेल्प लीजिए, लेकिन कोई भी गलत काम नहीं करना, किसी को भी हर्ट नहीं करना है आपने। अगर आप अपने कर्मास के ऊपर अगर आप फोकस करेंगे तो ओवरऑल आपका जो फाइनेंशियल गेन्स और आपकी जो क्रिएटिविटी है उसमें भी पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट आएगा। तो इस मंथ को बहुत ही बैलेंस अप्रोच के साथ रखना है, कहीं पर भी बहुत फास्ट होके रिजल्ट नहीं लेना है, एग्रेशन में रिजल्ट कोई भी काम नहीं करना है। राइट, थैंक यू सो मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू, नमः शिवाय।
Hello, welcome to all. Namaste, I am Kashika Rakhyani and today we are going to talk about house number 6 for the month of May 2024 through Mokshpat. Overall, this month is going to be good for you, but you should not involve yourselves into any kind of bad or negative habits. You should also be very careful about people around you and your surroundings. This house comprises of 2 elements. First, being legal issues. Mokshpatam suggests that this month you should keep a check on your words that you speak out. Be very careful about not involving yourself into any kind of bad, negative or foul language. Otherwise, this month might not turn out that great. Mokshpatam also suggests that you need to involve yourself into a lot of charity and good deeds this month. The second element that this house comprises is of enemies. Mokshpatam suggests that this month is going to be kind of neutral about your enemies, but you should keep them at distance. Do not involve yourself into any kind of practices that might attract your enemies towards you. Overall guidance for you this month is to keep a check on your surroundings. Thank you.
You just witnessed the first 6 videos out of 12. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Mokshapat. Mokshapat is the ancient Vedic science of divination through the board of snakes and ladder. Created by rishis and munis back in the 13th century, this board helps us align our karmic path with our soul purpose and soul path. This board can be the solution to every question and every problem in your life. Now let's watch the rest of the 6 videos.
Namaste. My name is Sheetal Mehta and here I present you Mokshpat Horoscope, house number 7 for the month of May 2024. House number 7 is all about your marriage, spouse, marriage partnership and fertility. By God's grace, overall reading for this house is positive. When it comes to marriage and partnership, कभी प्यार भी होगा और तकरार भी. There will be some ups and downs and you will have to accept it. So follow the key of oneness to maintain the harmony in the relationship. Those who are looking out for the soulmate, it shows the favorable time for you. In case of marriage, it's advisable to let go of ego and grudges and do not fall into who is right and wrong. गिले शिकवों से दूर रहें. those who are trying for the baby, you can expect a good news as it's a favorable period. Overall guidance is whatever you know about managing relationship, it's time to apply it practically. Enjoy everything you have right now in the relationship. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Shilpa Shah. I am here to portray the horoscope from the Moksha Path for the house number 8 for May. The Moksha Path conveys the importance of clean communication that, in broader sense, can be seen as end of existence, experience, or an end of particular phase in life. Communicating about your inner thoughts or fears related to ending will pave the way for long-term success. Moksha Path has encouraged open discussion about finance, addressing taxation matters transparently during this month. Moksha Path is also suggesting to explore communication and expressions within intimate relationship. Effective communication about desires, boundaries, and emotions contributes to a healthy sexual relationship. Expression of pain, sharing, and vocalizing one's experience contributes to personal growth and transformation from suffering. The Moksha Path is highlighting upon honest communication and emotional release, which will set the stage for the journey of lasting well-being in the month of May. Stay healthy. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Ketli. I'm here to present your horoscope for the month of May 2024 as we explore the cosmic energies surrounding house number 9, which represents spiritual destiny and exploration. The upcoming month, expect an abundance of positivity in your life. Stay open to receive love and guidance from the divine. As the cosmic energies aligning to offer you support and direction, you will feel deeply connected to the universal energy, receiving clear signals that guides you along the right path. Pay attention to messages from your throat chakra as it serves as a conduit for divine communication, urging you to release personal perception and attachments for your own growth. Embrace this spiritual connection. This spiritual connection will feel you sense of peace and clarity, enhancing your imaginative powers for innovation. It's a month where you will find yourself closer to the divine and discovering new dimensions of your inner self. Trust in the wisdom of the universe and the power of your own intuition to lead you towards a brighter, more enlightened future. So stay connected with the universal energies. Thank you.
Namaste. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader, bringing you the cosmic insights for the month of May 2024. House number 10 has attributes like career, profession, and public standing. The general reading for the house is a very positive one, stating that to attain any heights, you must choose to walk the path of Sudharma. It does not matter what religion you follow. The only thing of importance is your path should align with the cosmic laws. Career. The Mokshpata tells us that in this month, you make a choice about what type of career you want, digital, online, offline, or even a startup. When the job is according to your taste, it will surely give good results and better output. Profession. The board guides that all professionals need to put in more focused energy for better results. Public standing. In this month, you will be perceived as a dynamic person who is powerful, energetic, and passionate. You will be motivating others, but should resist any desperation or anger. To sum it up, the Mokshpata guides you to be passionate in your work, infusing your own tasteful choices in workspaces, and follow your dharma so that you can grow professionally. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned in for more updates in the coming months. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं मंजू आर्या, आपकी मोक्ष पटम लीडर। क्या कहता है मोक्ष पाठ मई 2024 के लिए? मई 2024 हाउस नंबर 11। हाउस नंबर 11 है इन्वेस्टमेंट, प्रॉफिट, एंजॉयमेंट इन लाइफ और जनरल लक के लिए। इस मंथ आपको बहुत सचेत रहना है। आपको हर चीज बहुत सोच समझ के करनी है। आपको इग्नोर नहीं करना है जो गाइडेंस आपको मिल रही है, किसी से भी मिले। आपका प्रॉफिट, नो लॉस नो प्रॉफिट का मंथ है। आप कुछ चीजों को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं। आप अपनी चारों तरफ की डिसिप्लिन, अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट सबको अच्छे से देखिए। आपका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट का मंथ है वो ये नहीं है। आप इस मंथ थोड़ा वेट कर सकते हैं। आपका एंजॉयमेंट इन लाइफ में आप कुछ चीजों को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं। आप वो नहीं करना चाहते जो आप सोच भी नहीं पाते हैं कि मुझे करना चाहिए। आप अपने पार्टनर का, अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स का, सबके व्यू समझिए और लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाइए। थैंक यू सो मच। फिर मिलेंगे और भी कई हाउसेस के साथ।
Namaste, I am Shweta Kumar. Let's see what Mokshpat has to say for the month of May 2024 for our self-growth, our indulgences and our states of being. Mokshpat says that we will be in a general state of balance this month and experience life from the heart itself. We may also influence somebody's life or their life condition by indulging in charity with good intention and make someone experience goodness. Mokshpat tells us that due to application of knowledge or wisdom, any chaotic situation, if it arises, will be well taken care of, leading to a feeling of contentment. If there has been a sense of loss, whether emotional or material, Mokshpat tells us that we will understand this month that this was for our higher good, leading to a sense of freedom from negative emotions. Indulging into good or uplifting fragrances to make us feel a sense of well-being is also indicated by Mokshpat. All in all, Mokshpat is guiding us to make choices which is true to our own self and balance it with what our loved ones like, so that we experience a happy month of May 2024. Thank you and namaste.